Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a clean audio file. Make sure it is MP3, WAV, or M4A, and sampled at 16 kHz or higher. Once done, trim silence and irrelevant lead-in to lower processing time, then split files over 25 MB into chunks. Now upload each file using Chatgpt's file or transcription endpoint. Choose the model optimized for speech-to-text and set language if known. Make sure to use a descriptive file name so you can track segments during the next steps. With files uploaded, you handle the complex middle, chunk management and prompt design. First, ensure each chunk is labeled sequentially, part 01, part 02, so you can recombine text in order. Next, configure model parameters. Temperature 0 for deterministic output, request timestamps or speaker separation if you need them. Then provide a concise system prompt that defines output format, paragraphs, speaker tags, or verbatim transcription, so the model knows how to structure text. This reduces post-editing and keeps results consistent. Finish by concatenating chunk transcripts in sequence, then normalize punctuation and unify speaker labels. This makes the transcript usable immediately. Once done, export to your preferred format, SRT for captions, TXT or DocX for editable text, and run a quick quality pass to fix homophones and proper names. If things go wrong, troubleshoot. Poor accuracy usually means low signal-to-noise ratio, wrong sample rate, or overlapping speech. Apply noise reduction, re-record problematic sections, or boost clarity before reprocessing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.